There is another pastage of this land. The land finish in down to where pass the water when raining a lot, okay? You see the view? We have this place with pastage and we have more one below this. The rest of the another area of this property is of another side of this little river, only have water when raining. We finish here, okay, and go down. There is the ocean and the village Mosteiros over there. Another pastage here. Only listen birds. The property finish below, and in this side you have the little line of water and raining is part of property. In the pastage you can see in the first video is another side, okay, is for there. There are the natural municipal swimming pool in Mosteiros village, okay. There's a snack bar here. It is a natural swimming pool, okay. Here is the bathroom, okay. I am 250 meters from the house. There is the beach, Village Mosteiros.